you go.
Can you hear me, Mr. Wagner? Can you hear me?
Can you hear him? Oh, yeah. There you go. All the way over. There you
Can you hear me now?
go. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. We got everything situated then. Okay, so the county court will come to order. This is the County Court of Hill County, sitting probate matters. This is cause number PR15726 in the matter of the estate of Joe Lee Brooks Jr. deceased. Is the applicant ready to proceed?
We are, Your Honor.
Hey, I do see submitted to the court a one-page document, last will and testimony of Joe Lee Brooks Jr. and Dorothy Brooks. With
Yes, sir.
file stamp of the county clerk and notarized by Rosalind Bryant. Is that all correct? The same document you're looking at?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. You can call your first witness.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. We have here before the court, Miss Dorothy Williams Brooks.
Ms. Brooks, will you go ahead and raise your right hand for me? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Right. You proceed, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Brooks, and again, if you would speak loudly into the microphone because they're recording these proceedings.
Okay.
Please, for the record, would you please state your full name and residence address?
I am Dorothy William Brooks, and I reside at 109 Abney Avenue in Hillsborough.
Okay. What was your relationship to the decedent, Mr. Joe Brooks?
Spouse.
Okay. Have you ever been convicted as a felon?
No.
What was the date and place of the decedent's death?
Joe died on August the 9th, 2024 at the Hill Regional Hospital.
Okay. Did Mr. Brooks permanently reside in Hill County and have his principal estate in Hill County at the time of his death?
Yes.
And are you seeking an order from this court today?
Yes.
Hand this to you. If you would just review this to make sure it's a true and accurate copy of the last will and testament of Mr. Brooks that you forwarded to our office, and we in turn submitted the original to the court. If you would just make sure that you agree that that in fact is a copy of the same document.
Yes.
Okay. Is the will that you just reviewed, to your knowledge, the decedent's last will and testament?
Yes.
Okay. And to your knowledge, did the decedent revoke or amend his will or execute a different will prior to the decedent's death?
No.
Were any children born to or adopted by the decedent after the date the will was signed?
No.
Were you and the decedent married to each other on the day of death?
Yes.
Does the decedent's will name the state of Texas or a governmental agency or a charitable organization as beneficiary or devisee?
No.
Have you reviewed the application for muniment of title, and is the information true and correct as far as you know and believe?
Yes, I have reviewed the application, and the information is correct.
Okay. Are you familiar with the decedent's estate and his financial affairs prior to death?
Yes.
Your Honor, on behalf of Miss Dorothy Brooks and on behalf of the estate of Joe Lee Brooks Jr., we request this court to approve the application for probate of the will as muniment of title, and that an order be issued in support thereof. And at this time, we'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
I have no questions for the witness. Do you have any other witnesses?
No, sir, we don't.
Well, therefore, it's ordered by this court that the will of Joe Lee Brooks is hereby proved and established and admitted to probate as muniment of title only, and that the clerk of this court shall record that will together with the application. It's also ordered that the filing of the affidavit of fulfillment terms is going to be waived. Do you have any other questions for the court, sir?
We don't, Your Honor. Just one comment. We
Yes, sir.
appreciate the professionalism and your staff taking the time to schedule this hearing for us.
Of course, of course. Would you like any copies today?
We'll just need 2 copies, Your Honor.
2 copies. All right. Well, if you guys need anything else from the court, just reach out to us. All right.
Thank you. Appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Great day.